y'all, it's April and thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. In today's video, I'm going to try to make... I guess I forgot to make an intro for this video, but I'm making something called green bean Italian, and you'll see the cookbook I got it out of, and I think it was 1987 edition, and it's pretty good, so I hope you enjoy the video. So, on page 10 in January in the 1987 annual, there is a recipe called green bean Italian, and all it calls for is 1 can of cut green beans drained, a small onion diced, a 14.5 ounce can of Italian style stewed tomatoes undrained, 2/3 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. You place it in your casserole, put your onions, you pour your beans in here, tomatoes in there, onions, bake it at 350 for 30 minutes, then you pull it out, then you put your cheese on it and put it back in for about 5 minutes. So we're going to try it, see if it's in count. So here's a can of green beans. Now, I didn't have the stewed tomatoes. I've got the diced, and I don't think it would matter, honestly. But that's the diced tomatoes with the basil, garlic, and oregano. But this is 14.5 ounce. I think it called for, oh, the tomatoes it called for 16 ounce, but a can is 14.5 ounce, so that's all I'm using. I'm not opening up another can for that. Okay, then it says to sprinkle your onions over top. Pop this in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes, and then we'll pull it back out and put the cheese on top. I do want to show you this though. You probably want a slotted spoon for this green bean stuff because the tomatoey can or whatever, it's really liquidy. So you probably want to use a slotted spoon, but it's good. Okay, in reality, I've made all of this on the same day, but they're going to be separate videos. So I'm just going to end all of these with the same ending. And I'm going to try all of these on the same ending on each video. You know what I'm saying. Let's try this Italian cheese bean. Oops, there you go, bean. Ah! Well, it's falling everywhere, but let's try it. That's pretty good. It's kind of got cold because it took forever for these stupid things to boil. Anyway, so these got done first, so they've kind of cooled down. But anyway, they're actually good. So that's all of the video, whether it be the chicken and dumplings, the macaroni and cheese, or the green bean, Italian green bean thing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the little subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you know when I upload more videos. And that's all. So there's some more vintage food. Hope y'all have a blessed day. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.